your personal roadmap to financial freedom. In today's video, we're going to talk about some of the most common financial mistakes young adults make, and most importantly, how you can avoid them. Whether you're just starting out in your career or looking to get your finances in order, this roadmap will set you on the right path to financial freedom. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, overspending. First up, overspending. It's easy to get caught up in lifestyle trends and spend more than you earn. Overspending can quickly drain your bank account and leave little room for savings. 1. Track your spending. Create a realistic budget. And 3. Limit impulse purchases. Tip: start by tracking every dollar you spend for 1 month. Use a budgeting app or even a simple spreadsheet. Then create a realistic budget that includes all your essential expenses. Remember, planning for fun is important, but always know your limits. Mistake number 2, not saving for emergencies. Next, many young adults overlook the importance of an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises: car repairs, medical bills, or sudden job changes. Not having a safety net can force you into high-interest loans. 1. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Automate your savings. And 3. Start small and build over time. Actionable tip: open a separate savings account and set up automatic transfers from your checking account every paycheck. Even small amounts add up over time, giving you peace of mind when unexpected expenses arise. Mistake number 3, ignoring retirement savings. Many young professionals think retirement is a distant concern, so they put off saving for the future. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound interest. 1. Take advantage of employer retirement plans. 2. Contribute regularly, even if it's a small percentage. And 3. Increase contributions as your income grows. Actionable tip: if your employer offers a 401k or similar plan, make sure you contribute at least enough to get any matching contributions. That's free money. If you don't have an employer plan, consider an IRA. Start with what you can and try to increase your contributions as your income grows. Mistake number 4, accumulating high-interest debt. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, can be a major roadblock to your financial freedom. It's hard to get ahead when a large portion of your money goes towards interest payments. 1. Avoid carrying a balance on credit cards. 2. Use debt consolidation or balance transfer options if needed. 3. Create a plan to pay off debts systematically. Tip: always try to pay off your credit card in full each month to avoid interest. If you have multiple debts, consider the snowball or avalanche method. Focus on paying off the smallest or highest interest debt first. And if necessary, look into debt consolidation options that could lower your overall interest rate. Let's recap. Avoid overspending by tracking your money and sticking to a budget. Build an emergency fund to protect yourself against life surprises. Start saving for retirement as early as possible to take advantage of compound interest. And steer clear of high-interest debt by managing your credit wisely. 1. Track spending and budget. 2. Save for emergencies automatically. 3. Contribute to retirement early. 4. Pay off high-interest debt. By avoiding these common pitfalls and following these actionable tips, you're building a solid foundation for your financial future. Remember, financial planning is a journey, not a race. Start small, be consistent, and watch your financial freedom grow. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple, practical advice on taking control of your finances. Comment below with your biggest financial challenge or any questions you have. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success.